You raise this matter. Why would someone who says, if you are clean, go on, and then you see that as a threat? Because we get told that nonsense all the time. Malema is not there because he's not clean, he meant severe, and then I must be threatened by that.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not
if someone
talking
says to you, if you are clean, go on, and let's see what happens. I'll never see that as a threat because I'm clean. Actually, I'm continuing so that you can take whatever you want to take against me.
It's
If I
fine.
know I'm clean, I will never be blackmailed. If that is kind of a blackmail or a threat, why would you take something like that as a threat where a person says, if you were clean, go on, and you say, I'm being threatened? You're not being threatened. He's right. If you are clean, go on. And you are going on because you think you are clean. You have nothing to hide. You have never retreated from what you're doing because someone said, if he's clean, let him proceed. I don't think that is a threat.
So that was Julius Malema there, finally responding, to this trending and hot topic issue that is connecting him with General Sibiya, and he said he was speaking actually with Senzo Mchunu, and revealing that he is not afraid of anything, he fears nothing, whenever people say, hey, him and Malema, in Sibiya, there's this connection, etc., etc. There is nothing there, and he doesn't even, is not even threatened at all. So there is even a picture where Julius Malema actually posted, where he was laughing like real crazy, because his name had been mentioned at the Mahlanga Commission, and people were finally saying we've caught Julius Malema in this moment. But there is absolutely nothing. So Malema is actually a free man, and he is laughing at everyone who is thinking that they've finally caught him. So we can draw one thing from the way Julius Malema just spoke there. It is the confidence that he has, whenever he speaks. And you can see that there is absolutely nothing in terms of any skeletons that can be found about his relationship with the General Sibiya. So people can do the digging all they want, but there is absolutely nothing, that people can find. And Malema, he's been the first himself, amongst the high profile people, to respond to this issue of his connection with General Sibiya there. Because this is like one thing, that Malema's haters out there are trying by all means, to find something against him. I mean, of all the politicians that are out there, it's Malema who is everyone, whose eyes are actually on, and hoping that something can be found on him. But unfortunately, nothing is going to be found on him. This man is clean, his confidence is actually telling that there is nothing between him and General Sibiya there. So all those who have been praying and hoping for something to come out, nothing is going to come out of this. I'll catch you guys on the next one.